With tens of millions of drones expected in the next few years, the risk of collision between a drone and an aircraft has skyrocketed already. The main issue we're trying to solve is that drones are blind to air traffic. We help avoid a collision between an aircraft and a drone. Our solution: if drones are blind to air traffic, we give them eyes. They need information about what's happening around to know how to react, the same way airplanes need guidance from air traffic controllers to know what to do and what not to do. So we provide low-altitude air traffic data, so if there is a danger, they can react accordingly. To provide this critical information on the lowest portion of the sky, we install on the ground a network of what we call our microcontrol towers on existing infrastructure, such as telecom antennas, in order to comprehensively detect the air traffic. In partnership with Swisscom, we have already covered Western Switzerland with our proof of concept zone onto an area of around 8,000 square kilometers. This test area will soon be extended to the whole Switzerland as well as to other countries.